So I just got the shocks in and the Bilstein, the B8s, and I also bought some bump stops. And just from a build quality standpoint, there's just absolutely zero comparison. Like this thing, just everything about it just feels incredible. Alright, so back at Eurosport, 30's done. So let's see what Pedro has to tell us. Yeah. What are you guys doing to this one?
Huh?
What are you doing to it?
This one?
Yeah.
Only about colgate, some little stuff, little shit.
Little things?
Yeah. But yes. You know this guy, right?
That's my boy. I send him here. I send him here. This thing is so clean, bro. So you guys can see, it's not just my E30 that they work on here. They work on actually a lot of E30s, right? All right, so big shout out to my boy Pedro. This guy's the man. So we ended up installing the shocks, but he can explain it better. So what was the actual issue, Pedro?
The issue was that the shocks they gave you, they were supposed to be for the 2-inch lower springs, and they're not. The shaft was like 2-inch bigger. So the shock, because you got the lower kit, when we put it on, there was no play on the shaft to work on it. The shaft was completely compressed, so he was just riding on the springs.
Right?
Yeah, there's oil all over the place.
Oh wow!
This was like just going around the block.
So what do you think now? Like with the shock that I have in there now, like with the build, how's it riding? Is it big difference?
The ones that you have right now, it's totally different.
Totally different.
It's a way smooth ride. It doesn't even feel that you have a lowering springs in it.
Oh, that's awesome.
Cool.
So in closing, I gotta say, I gotta give him an insane shout out. So I paid him to install the shocks. I just came to pay him. He had to do the work twice. He refused to take my money, bro. That is a real mechanic. That is real love. Come support his business, please. If you want a mechanic he's an enthusiast, he races Beamers. You saw the other E30 in there. Come see him, man. I can't say enough great things.
Anytime.
Thank you, Pedro.
Anytime.
E30 my mechanic, baby. Big shout out to Pedro. Just gave me a awesome sweater here. Again, man, come support this guy, bro. That's real stand up, you know. I bought those shocks. I brought them here. They were bad. He should have charged me. He refused to. He understood that, you know, the burden. And you can't beat that, you know. Again, come support him. These are the type of people that us as enthusiasts must support to keep them in business, man. Because those are the people that care. This thing is riding better than it ever has, even than the air ride. Yeah, Bilstein, man. Bilstein all the way. What a difference with these new Bilsteins in. Anyway, till next time, guys.